Welcome to our video presentation on the benefits of why you should use an estate agent. Let's start right at the beginning. Any person practicing or even entering into real estate has to undergo a qualification process. It is a very extensive training program whereby every estate agent is required to obtain not only a qualification but to pass a professional designation exam. What does this mean to you as the client? It means that you are dealing with a specialized person in real estate. Then the estate agent has to be registered with a valid Fidelity Fund certificate with the Estate Agency Affairs Board. What does this Fidelity Fund certificate mean to you as the client? It means that the agent is obliged to practice the Code of Conduct. What does the Code of Conduct mean? It means that the agent can be held accountable for any wrongdoings during the entire process. Should you as the client suffer any damages as a result of the agent's wrongdoings, you are entitled to claim against the Fidelity Fund. A person with specialized skill and knowledge that is qualified will also achieve the best price that the market will dictate. They also have knowledge of how to do legal and binding contracts, which is very important. As I always say, if I need legal advice, I will go to a lawyer. But if I need real estate advice, I am going to go to the person that is best qualified to give me that advice. And that is your estate agent. Let's look at what else are the benefits. They become the area specialist. They have very specific knowledge of any planned and future developments. What is going to happen in the area? How is it going to impact on the value of your property? The suburb statistics. What has been the growth in that area? Has the prices increased, and to what value have they increased? The demographics of the neighborhood. We all want to live with like-minded people because that makes for a happy neighborhood. What services are available in the area? Where is the nearest schools? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest library? And maybe for some of us ladies, where is the best shopping centers? Agents will also have a portfolio of properties that they are able to show you. So you're not just restricted to one property, you can go and view a couple in order to make an informed decision. They also negotiate for and on behalf of all the parties in the contract. They're there to act in your best interests and the other client's best interests. They become the subject matter expert, and that's the person that we want to deal with. They are your trusted advisor. They present your home in the best possible manner. What's the risk? Well, let's look at the risk. The risk is that the agent will protect both parties in a transaction, especially when it comes to disclosures. Whether it be latent defects or patent defects, the agent will endeavor to do her best to ensure that all defects are disclosed to all parties in the transaction. They do proper affordability qualification. It's important for both a seller and a landlord to know that when people come to view their property, that they are in a position that if they like the property, that they can afford it. They also lower the security risk. Stranger knocks on your door, you don't know who they are, yet the agent will take the time to sit down, pre-qualify the buyer to ensure that they are a genuine person. They also have knowledge of the bank's requirements, especially when it comes to qualification, because they work very closely with originators, which is important, so that you know that if the person comes through your property, they are able to make a qualified decision. What else is their value add? They ensure that you have a smooth transaction, because ultimately that is important to the agent, that all parties are kept happy during the whole process. They also build relationships and establish trust. They manage communication to make sure that you are informed at all stages during the transaction exactly what is happening. They act as the mediator should there be any disputes. They are the middleman. They give regular feedback. And most importantly, for an agent, a happy client is a happy agent. Why? Because happy clients mean that they are going to get future business and, more importantly, referral business. Thank you so much for watching our short video. I hope it has been of benefit, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.